Welcome to Static GK quiz number 113. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GKToday and I'll be taking you through this. Prairies are the grasslands typically found in North America. It is a region of flat, gentle sloping or hilly land. For the most part, prairies are treeless, but near the low-lying plains, flanking river valleys, woodlands can be found. Tall grass, up to 2 meters high, dominates the landscape. It is actually a sea of grass. Sometimes a consumer is motivated to buy some commodity not because it has become cheaper or the income has increased, but because the neighbors have purchased it. What is this effect called? The correct answer is demonstration effect, also known as bandwagon effect. Demonstration effects are effects on the behavior of individuals caused by observation of the actions of others and their consequences. The term is particularly used in political science and sociology to describe the fact that developments in one place will often act as a catalyst in another place. While calculating price elasticity of demand, which among the following should be constant? The correct answer is consumer's income. Price elasticity of demand is defined as the percentage of change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. The higher the income elasticity of demand in absolute terms for a particular good, the bigger consumers' response in their purchasing habits if their real income changes. Business typically evaluate income elasticity of demand for their products to help predict the impact of a business cycle on product sales. If two goods have no relationship with each other, what would be cross elasticity among them? The correct answer is 0. It is always the case with goods which have perfect substitutes for one another. Cross elasticity is 0 if a change in the price of one commodity will not affect the quantity demanded of the other. In the case of goods which are not related to each other, cross elasticity of demand is 0. Bohag Bihu is a festival in northeast India, mainly in the state of Assam. Bihu is the chief festival in the Assam state of India. It refers to a set of 3 different festivals: Rongali or Bohag Bihu, observed in April, Kongali or Kati Bihu, observed in October, and Bhogali or Magh Bihu, observed in January. Bohag Bihu usually falls on second week of April, historically signifying the time of harvest. What is the name of India's first woman Jawan? The correct answer is Shanti Tikka. Shanti Tikka is the first female Jawan in the Indian Army and joined when she was 35 and already had 2 children. Tikka was awarded the title of Best Trainee. Unfortunately, she met a tragic ending as it is assumed that she committed suicide after accusation that she had taken money for jobs. Chandipur on Sea is located in which among the following states? Chandipur, also known as Chandipur on Sea, is a small sea resort in Baleshwar district of Orissa. The resort is on the Bay of Bengal and is approximately 16 kilometers from the Baleshwar railway station. The beach is unique in that the water recedes up to 5 kilometers during the ebb tide. It is also well known for its red crabs. Which among the following is the major objective of NASA's Kepler mission? Kepler is a retired space observatory launched by NASA to discover Earth-sized planets orbiting other stars. Named after astronomer Johannes Kepler, the spacecraft was launched on 7th of March 2009 into an Earth-trailing heliocentric orbit. The Kepler mission is specifically designed to survey a region of the Milky Way galaxy to discover hundreds of Earth-sized and smaller planets in or near the habitable zone and determine the fraction of the hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy that might have such planets. The Krishi Karma awards are given to, the correct answer is states. Krishi Karma awards are given to best performer states for raising countries' food grain production. These awards were instituted in 2010-11 for recognizing the meritorious efforts of states in food grains production. It comprises of 3 awards for total food grain production and 4 awards for production of crops that constitute the food grain, that is rice, wheat, coarse cereals and pulses. Europa is the moon of which among the following planets? The correct answer is Jupiter. Jupiter has at least 67 known moons. The largest 4 are called Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. Europa is an icy moon of the planet Jupiter. It has long been a high priority for its exploration because it holds a salty liquid water ocean beneath its icy crust. The ultimate aim of NASA's Europa Kepler mission is to determine if Europa is habitable. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.